large room. It's a premier club room. So just as we enter, we'll have a look in the wardrobes and cupboards here for you. So plenty of space to hang clothes, luggage rack, there's a robe. There's probably going to be another one somewhere because there's two of us. Ironing board and iron. So another wardrobe here. Seems to be much more in here. There's the safe. And that's a nice laptop size safe. A few goodies there. Over here, hairdryer. Just empty drawers, but there's plenty of space. And then two pairs of slippers, and they'll be yours to keep once you've used them. Some spare pillows there, so it's a good size. Moving over to the bar or where you make your drinks, you've got a coffee maker and a kettle, the complimentary water there, and then the mini bar with snacks that you will have to pay for, of course. And in common with many hotels now, you download the QR code there, and there we have the mini bar. Oh, champagne in there. I won't be touching any of those on this trip. And in here, oh, that looks nice. All the different teas. Earl Grey, ginger lemon, jasmine and breakfast teas. Then you have some coffee pods here. Nice china. Some glassware. It's a very good size bedroom. Probably about a 50-inch, 55-inch television. And then a massive king-size bed there. And the light switches and dials are all automatic there. You just press the buttons. Moving over into the sitting area. Table and chairs there for two. A sofa that probably fits three. And an armchair with a couple more tables, all very nice, modern. And what hits you straight away when you come into the room is how bright it is. It's very clean and bright. So, if we want to open the curtains, you press a button there, and then that opens the curtains. And we've got an airport view room today on the 19th floor. Still a nice view. And the metro station there is the healthcare city. And it's overlooking the creek. And what's good about the deal that we got, it's a club room, so you get access to the club, afternoon tea, cocktails in the evening, unlimited cocktails and canapes. And you can go at most times during the day just for tea, coffee, refreshments, which is great. And probably last thing to show you is the bathroom area. Big bathroom. So his and hers basins, Loctane toiletries. I know somebody that'll like those. Body lotion, cleansing hand wash. Wow, and that's a lovely bath. The usual WC and bidet. And then a big shower. A rain shower there. And again, Loctane products. So how many could we get in here? I'd say comfortably 4. Tissues. What have we got in the box? Let's have a look. Sanitary bag. Cotton buds. Nail file. Shower cap. I don't think I'll be needing that. Cotton pads. 2 dental kits. A shaving kit. And that's it from there. It's a good selection. So yeah, a very nice room. Looking forward to our stay here. Anyway, catch you later.